Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm taking you through a full day of cooking as I prepare different homemade recipes including potatoes, rice, beans, maize, and later finish everything with soft and delicious chapati. If you enjoy simple, affordable family meals, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I have beans that has been soaked for an hour, and this is maize. I'm going to soak it for half an hour and then later put it on the jiko to boil, and then I'll add beans later. So for that recipe I'll be preparing githeri or sokotash in English. Yeah, and so this is yellow beans. Yellow beans, you can have this with your chapati, you can have this with rice. Yeah, it blends so well with those kind of meals. So I'm going to show you how the final end products will look like. This rice, I'm going to prepare this for lunch. I'm going to prepare it for lunch for everyone. It's around 6 cups. I wish I could have shown you the cup that I normally use for measuring. And these are potatoes. I'm going to prepare them for lunch as well. And so one thing I've learned is that preparing different meals in one day is not just about cooking. It's about saving time, saving your money, and reducing stress, during the week. So when I cook foods like beans, maize, rice, and potatoes in larger portions or even githeri, I can store them in the fridge or the freezer and use them for many days, sometimes even for weeks if they are stored properly. And maybe just to share the importance of preparing many meals at once is that you avoid cooking from scratch every single day. You can be exhausted, you can be tired, and then when you remember you just want to prepare a meal, the starting point is normally so you spend less money because you buy ingredients in bulk. And that is true. And as well, you waste less food because everything is planned. On busy days you already have food ready. You only need to reheat or combine it with. And on busy days, you already have food ready. And on busy days, you already have your food ready. You only need to reheat it or combine it with something fresh like chapati or even rice, things that you know very well that you can't store them in the fridge or in the freezer. Let me give an example. For cooked beans, it can be used with the rice. Remember you had stored your beans in the fridge or the freezer. You can have it with fresh rice, chapati, ugali, or even as a quick lunch. Maize can be mixed with beans for githeri. Potatoes can become breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So one cooking session can give you several different meals. As a busy person, meal prepping helps me stay organized and make sure my family has something nutritious to eat even on days when I don't have much time to cook. And that's why today I'm preparing different recipes in a day, or rather in one day, and finishing with later on with chapati, which I'm going to show you the whole process, how I normally prepare it until the time when I serve it. It's a practical way to prepare meals that can serve you for many days and make life much easier. One cooking tip I enjoy using is adding a clean piece of charcoal while boiling beans. Many people believe it helps reduce the gases in the beans that can cause bloating or discomfort. Some also say it can help absorb certain compounds that contribute to the strong smell while the beans cook. Once the beans are cooked, I'll remove and discard the charcoal before serving. And to add on that, just make sure that your charcoal is plain, it's clean, And now it is time to prepare one of the most favorite foods for the family, soft homemade chapatis. This is the perfect way to complete today's meal prep. It has been a day, guys. For my ingredients of today, I'm using ajab, all-purpose flour, cooking oil, margarine, a little sugar, salt to taste, and warm water. These are simple ingredients, but together they make soft and tasty chapatis. And so I always start by mixing the dry ingredients before adding the margarine and oil. Then I slowly pour in warm water while mixing until the dough comes together. The secret to soft chapati is not just rushing the dough. I knead it well until it's smooth and elastic, then let it rest for a few minutes, like half an hour or an hour. Resting the dough makes it easier to roll and helps produce soft layered chapatis. Just look at how soft and beautiful these chapatis are. They go perfectly with beans, vegetables, beef stew, or even a cup of tea. Yeah, green grams. This is exactly why I love preparing them to finish my meal prep. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite meal to enjoy with chapati. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.